Hi there, this is the upcoming OnePlus N6. It's an all-new series from OnePlus, which is launching on 30th of June, and it's expected to be priced under 25,000. Now, this device heavily focuses on long battery life, smooth performance, and for gaming enthusiasts. Of course, since this is pre-launch, there are some embargo restrictions, but we'll show you the unboxing, the contents of the box, the design of the phone, the in-hand feel, and we'll also share some specs which will help you decide if you can consider the OnePlus N6 or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging, OnePlus N6. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top we have this box. It includes the paperwork that no one reads. There is the case. You get a nice soft silicone case, also dark green color. The quality is really nice. Then we have the OnePlus N6 phone, the SIM ejector pin, everyone's favorite, the red OnePlus USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 45-watt Super VOOC charger. There you go. Alright, let's have a quick look at the build and design. So here is the N6 and we have it in midnight green color, which is more like dark green, but it almost looks like dark grey, especially indoors. Outdoors, you might be able to catch that hint of green. If you're looking for something minty, there is also a light green color option available. The back is polycarbonate, but it feels like glass. Extremely premium looking, but it does attract some smudges. Of course, then the best option is to use the provided case. It's soft to touch and looks pretty good as well. Then up here is the rear camera. On the top is a noise cancellation microphone. On the side are the volume rockers and the power standby button. At the bottom is a single down-firing speaker, USB-C port, microphone, and hybrid SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards, or one nano SIM card along with one SD card for storage expansion. SD card storage is always a plus. Alright, let's talk about the display. So we get a huge screen with pretty impressive color reproduction. Sadly, we can't share more details till the launch, but from this video, you'll get a pretty good idea. It's running the Oxygen OS 16 and OnePlus claims 60 months of smooth experience. One of the biggest USPs of the N6 is that it houses a mammoth 8000 mAh battery which would last you for about 3 days. Plus, you get a 45-watt Super VOOC charger included in the box, so the phone should get juiced up in a jiffy. Isn't that cool? Talking about cool, it also comes with a 5300 square millimeter vapor cooling system. So the phone remains cool like a cucumber, which means you get steady performance while gaming and multitasking. The OnePlus N6 seems like an interesting mid-range package. You get a big display, big battery, and big on performance. The phone is being launched on 30th of June. Meanwhile, we'll be testing more on the performance, the battery life, and the overall user experience, which we shall cover in our full review, so make sure you subscribe for that one. I'm expecting this phone to be priced around 25,000, but I'll mention the price and the purchase links after the launch in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.